So what I got here is some aftermarket parts. I'll show you in a bit, but I'm gonna go down here. It's not the camshaft sensor, but it's the position sensor. So it should be this one. And that'll get rid of the check engine light. This car failed smog for some reason. So let's get to it. Got my small 10 mil. I already loosened it. Now I'm just gonna grab that bolt. Alright, just don't drop that in the engine bay. But now we can go ahead and take it out. Alright, so we plugged it out of that hole where that like the shiny part is. And this is what the camshaft sensor look like. And there's just a little, let's take a look. Little tab on the back. Alright, took it out and let's take a look at what we have here. So this was what was in there. You can see because it's all oily. Take a look at the plug, okay. Just making sure we got the right part here. So the grooves look pretty similar. Oh shoot. I'd say they're pretty identical, huh? Yeah, this is it. Oh, I'll try to get a part number for this, but yeah, time to just go replace it and we'll be set. Be hacking into the computer.
Basically.
Yo, what is up guys? We're back at it. We got the OBD2 scanner. We're about to plug it in and see if we pass the smog. Awesome. As you can tell, we got it plugged in. Reading some, I don't even know what this is. But I'm going to go ahead and plug in the key so this thing can actually read it. So since we cleared the code, I haven't got it back. And I did like at least an hour of driving straight right after. Ooh, one of these is red, so we have to go drive it a little bit more. Let's see. Everything else looks good. Might have to take this car and drive. I'm gonna look this up on Google. Let's see what it says. Alright, after going through the Reddits, we see that there's a couple of requirements. It says to fill up the tank between the fourth and the third full, cold start your engine, accelerate 40 to 55 miles per hour, 25% throttle. A lot of this stuff, decelerate without using the brake, coast to 20 miles per hour or less. I think we could do that. Let's try it out. Typical VQ things. Just topping it off. Kind of see there's some overspill. Got some shop towels. Dry that up a bit so it doesn't get stuck when you close it. Oh, what the? There you go. Looks good to me. What's up, mailman? Awesome. If you can check it out, we just hit the green and everything, so we're able to go get this thing smogged finally. One thing I did want to do when I read the website again was that your AC needs to be on and your defroster needs to be on in the rear, which I'm pretty sure it's the square one. I don't know which one. I forgot which one it is, to be honest. But just turn them both on and you should be chilling during a cold start. So for now, we're going to be heading back down and getting this thing smogged. Oh, the one passenger G? Okay. Finally getting this smog done.